Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video about getting rid of Siongover.online, a dangerous resource that now attacks the majority of popular browsers. It says that you need to click allow to close this page. In reality, doing that is a very serious mistake, because if the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets hijacked. This means that people will start seeing strange redirections to a lot of unfamiliar pages. For instance, we've just seen this redirection to some fake Flash player installer, which in reality leads to the installation of adware and some potentially unwanted programs. And if the allow button was clicked, you may see other strange pop-ups that will be attacking the screen from time to time. It's surely a very distracting factor for many people. So if the allow button was clicked, you need to go to the menu, which looks as this circle with three vertical dots. Click on settings, go to site settings, and now you need to scroll down to the permissions area and select notifications. Pay attention to the allow area, and when you find this suspicious resource, click on this button and remove it from the list. I would also strongly advise scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded, you need to click on Start Combo Scan, and then the free research of your Mac will begin. And at the end of scan, the detailed report will be provided with the location of each specific threat. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program has performed the free research of Mac computer, and at the end of scan, some threats were found. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. This is the detailed report about the location of each specific threat in your Mac. You may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you its exact location in Finder. After that, you may remove each specific threat manually, so one threat at a time. And this is the free way to remove threats manually from your Mac computer. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threats automatically.